LP Technologies, a leader in satellite monitoring, presents Automatic Spectrum Monitoring, LPT ASM, a carrier monitoring solution with an unparalleled level of scalability and ease of use. LPT ASM is a robust monitoring system that networks hundreds of spectrum analyzers into a centralized platform. ASM leverages spectrum analyzers' processing ability to monitor dozens of RF signals per analyzer, thousands of RF signals per platform. From the organization's Network Operations Center, operators manage system resources and monitor uplink or downlink feeds from across multiple sites. Engineers and other authorized users can access the ASM system from anywhere on the company network. Using LPT ASM, engineers can connect feeds from satellite antennas into a spectrum analyzer or other signal processing equipment. Every spectrum analyzer is sent property settings through the ASM server. These property settings can be of any combination. The ASM server communicates with all connected spectrum analyzers in their own thread. This means that regardless of the number of spectrum analyzers in the system, ASM runs each device on its own timeline and doesn't see an impact of performance. Traces that are captured by the ASM server are stored indefinitely on the LPT ASM database. History of each signal is stored and can be recalled at any point. Using the ASM client application, engineers and operators can connect to the ASM database to observe traces, generate alarming criteria, watch history, and modify spectrum analyzer properties. LPT ASM supports countless client connections without impacting the performance of the monitoring system. Client connections can also pull spectrum analyzers from the ASM monitoring system to a live system called Live Smart Monitor, LSM, to watch continuous live trace updates and adjust the spectrum analyzer. One of the key features of ASM is that it splits the processing power of the spectrum analyzer, allowing the LPT solution to create multiple virtual spectrum analyzers and watch several signals from a single analyzer. Organizations have the ability to assign privilege levels of users in the ASM system. Administrators, operators, viewers, and firewalled viewers all have different abilities. Users can be added at any time, and privilege levels can be modified. With LPT ASM's ability to manage and monitor hundreds of sites, users can create multi-window walls that group and display many different signals onto a single screen. Each user can build their own walls and share with their peers. LPT ASM constantly stores trace data. An authorized user can pick any carrier in the system, download the raw data, or even replay archived traces by simply entering the desired start and stop times. LP Technologies' user-friendly interface has easy-to-set-up yet powerful interference detection features like threshold monitors, spectral masks, amongst others. When an interference detector is breached, LPT ASM reports the alarm via audible sound, colorful visuals, email or text messages, and SNMP traps. The system also stores the alarm in a log for on button on-demand history replay. LPT ASM functions span from traditional features like min, max, and markers to complex satellite calculations such as cross-pole measurements in history and EIRP module. To contact LP Technologies, visit www.lptech.com, email sales@lptech.com, or call 316-831-9696.